Hello. Today I will show you wiring of JVL Mac 400 servo motor and Profinet extension module. The materials shown is used to connect PLC to servo motor. The wiring diagram shows the devices and connections. Profinet extension module consists of LA input, LA output, power and input-output pins. LA pins is used to connect for one servo motor to PLC. LA out is used to connect more than one servo motor for daisy chain connection. Profinet extension module is fixed by achieving male and female pins connect each other. JVL servo motor power cable type can be 3 or 4 wired. 4-wired cable can be both connected to 220 volt and 110 volt lines. 3-wired cable can only be connected to 220 volt lines. If you use 4-wire cable for 220 volt lines, you should isolate 110 volt red wire. Male main power pin is to connect servo motor to power line. PDO is used to connect break-in resistor if it is necessary. Connector side of power cable is fixed to main power pin. Open side of the power cable is connected to single-phase line. Connector side of module or control voltage cable is connected to PWR pin. Control voltage cable is 5-wired. Brown, white and black cables are connected to plus 24 volt, blue and gray cables are connected to 0 volt. The reason using 2 same potential wire is to divide current density per pins. M12 connector side of the Profinet cable is connected to LAN pin of the Profinet extension module. RJ45 side is connected to Profinet switch. Profinet switch is not obligatory for this application. We use it to download PLC software and commissioning JVL servo motor without unplugging the cable. Other Profinet cable is connected into Profinet switch and PC. M12 side of the serial communication cable is connected to I/O pin of the Profinet module. Other side of the cable is connected to RS-232 USB converter. If all the connections and settings are okay, the LEDs on the module will be as you see.